Your home's windows do more than just provide a view of the world outside. They play a crucial role in insulation, security, and curb appeal. Over time, however, windows can deteriorate due to age, wear, and exposure to the elements. If you're a homeowner in Farmington Hills, Michigan, it's essential to recognize the signs that it's time to replace your windows. Not only can this improve your home's comfort and energy efficiency, but it can also enhance its overall appearance and value. Here are key signs to watch for that indicate it's time to invest in window replacement. Drafts and temperature fluctuation. One of the most obvious signs that your windows need replacing is persistent drafts or noticeable temperature fluctuations inside your home. If you feel a draft near the windows, even when they're closed, it may be due to gaps or cracks in the window frame or the seals around the glass. Old, inefficient windows can allow warm air to escape during the winter and cool air to leak out during the summer, causing your HVAC system to work harder and increasing your utility bills. Replacing your windows with energy-efficient models can help maintain a consistent indoor temperature year-round and reduce your energy consumption. Visible damage or wear. Windows that show visible signs of damage, such as cracks in the glass, warped or rotting frames, or peeling paint, are not only unsightly but can also compromise the security and insulation of your home. If you notice any of these issues, it's a strong indicator that your windows are past their prime. Over time, these issues can worsen, leading to higher repair costs or even complete window failure. In Farmington Hills, where temperatures can dip below freezing in the winter, cracked glass or compromised frames can also lead to heat loss, putting extra strain on your heating system. Condensation between panes of glass. If you notice condensation or fogging between the panes of glass in your windows, it's a sign that the seals around the glass have failed. This can occur in double or triple pane windows, where the insulating gas between the panes is no longer effective. This trapped moisture not only obstructs your view but also reduces the window's ability to insulate your home. Replacing these windows will restore their performance and improve the overall energy efficiency of your home. Difficulty opening or closing windows. If your windows are sticking, difficult to open or close, or won't lock properly, it's a sign that they may be worn out or damaged. This could be due to warped frames, damaged hardware, or the buildup of dirt and debris in the tracks. Windows that don't function properly can pose a safety risk in case of emergency. Additionally, poorly functioning windows may compromise the security of your home, making it easier for burglars to break in. In such cases, replacing the windows is often the most effective solution to restore both functionality and safety. Excessive noise from outside. If you live in a noisy neighborhood or close to a busy street in Farmington Hills, you may notice that external sounds like traffic, barking dogs, or nearby construction projects are louder inside your home. Older windows, especially single-pane models, provide little sound insulation. Upgrading to double or triple pane windows with soundproofing features can significantly reduce the amount of noise that enters your home, improving your indoor comfort. Increased energy bill. As windows age and lose their efficiency, your energy bills can start to climb. If you've noticed a steady increase in heating or cooling costs despite maintaining your HVAC system, your windows might be the culprit. Drafts, air leaks, and poor insulation can all contribute to energy loss. Installing new, energy-efficient windows with features like low E coatings and gas fills can help reduce energy consumption and lower your utility bills. Outdated appearance. Windows contribute significantly to the curb appeal of your home. If your windows are outdated, mismatched, or showing signs of deterioration, it could affect the overall aesthetic of your home. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enhance your home's appearance, replacing old windows with modern, stylish options can give your home a fresh, updated look and increase its market value. Conclusion. Windows are a key element of your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. If you notice any of the signs listed above, it may be time to consider window replacement. Farmington Hills homeowners can benefit from replacing outdated or damaged windows with modern, energy-efficient options that offer improved insulation, reduced noise, and better overall performance. Investing in window replacement can enhance the comfort and value of your home for years to come, making it a smart choice for both current and future homeowners.